Welcome guys to the channel. I'm here waiting for the superstar Marty. Doesn't show up. And what we're doing today is we're going to install something on the Supra.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're working on the Supra. Finally. So finally he's got some parts for it, and we're doing exhaust, guys. Doing exhaust, and it's a Remark. I just learned it myself. So these are titanium tips, right?
Titanium tips. They keep the active exhaust. So that was part of the reason that I took so long, because keeping the active exhaust.
Yeah, we got to switch.
It's expensive as well.
Yeah,
so.
yeah. I know. Damn, this is a lot of pipe.
Yeah, so the one coming out is just one piece.
My boy Rob hooks it up. See, he got them quick jacks. Man, we need these, damn it. There's your stock exhaust. So this is is it the same diameter or is it bigger, Rob?
This one's a little bigger.
It looks a little bigger.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try to pull this thing all out in one piece. You gonna chop this son of a bitch up? If you were trying to get rid of it, you gonna hold on to it?
No, I'm gonna hold on to it.
You gonna hold on to it? Cause this thing's long.
Yeah, so I gotta find a home.
That's what she said.
So I already took out the cross brace. I already loosened the nut on the down pipe and the nut in the front and the mid pipe, and now it's just getting it out.
So all this goes is two, and then I guess that resonator in there,
yeah, and then
it turns into one.
Correct.
All right. So
What we're with the new pipe is gonna eliminate that resonator, and then it goes 2 down to 1, but it goes 2 down to 1 at the down pipe.
at the down pipe. Okay. This thing fancy, dude. It's all pretty and stuff. Too bad nobody ever gonna see it.
I don't care, as long as the active exhaust
But
works.
it's gonna sound good. It better sound good, damn
It
it.
better sound good.
It'll sound good. So let's go ahead and get started and get the stock one off and go from there.
So one of the first things you want to do is get up under here, and this car's active exhaust thing is right here, and you just want to unclip this. There's a plastic thing right here. There are 3 10mm bolts on this, but if you can see it right there, there are 3 10mm bolts, but to be honest, this back bolt back here is going to be impossible to get with the exhaust on the car. So you just want to take this out, make sure to kind of tuck it away where it doesn't get damaged somewhere. I'm just going to put it back here. If it stays, if it doesn't, but just make sure it just doesn't get damaged. Maybe put it under the flap here, put it under the flap right there, and then once it's disconnected, but you will put this on the new exhaust. And then the next thing you want to do is there is 2 13mm bolts. I can get under the car if I wanted to do it, but I can reach right here. So right here is one. Now this connected to your downpipe, you will be reusing this clamp again, so you can just loosen it, leave it there. And then right here, if you see right there, I don't know, let me see it, get closer. Right there is another 13mm bolt, but if you see, it's kind of like a U shape where it slides in and out, so you can slide it out. So I don't think you need to take it off. You can just loosen it. It comes down a little bit, and then you can probably slide it all back out. Because this is a one-piece exhaust, the whole thing, which is a terrible thing, but it is what it is. So, but yeah, that's the beginning. 2 hours later.
So we get it out. You gotta get this clamp off because they tack welded it on.
That's not an instruction.
Yeah, that's not an instruction. They didn't tell you that part, did they?
No.
But BMW, Toyota, whatever the hell designed this, made it a real massive pain in the ass to get that out. To get that piece off the downpipe. I'll show you guys right quick. I guess with that flex pipe right there, it takes away all the leverage. So it was just on there so tight. We really had to beat on it with a hammer on the mount, whatever this holds here. Just beat on it with a rubber hammer, you know, and kind of pry it too, until it ended up just having to kind of twist the whole exhaust out, and it finally let loose. But yeah, that flex pipe does not help the situation when we remove exhaust on this car. But it's out of the car.
They like banged all the pipes.
Yeah, they pull a Camaro just to make shit work.
That shit.
That's just called making shit work.
The other thing we did was we took out the whole piece without the grommet. I explained that in the part over there, but we did that.
Yeah, this I think this is the easiest way of pulling it, because all we have to do is swap this over, and removing bolts is a whole lot easier than taking these sons of bitches out.
Underneath the car at least.
Yep. We're gonna start piecing it together. We'll go through it a little bit at a time.
And these have angles to them, like a slight angle.
Yeah.
So this one goes like that.
Yeah.
And then the flat ones go to the front. It goes.
Not going so bad, guys. It's really got that. Other than that, I mean, it shouldn't be terribly hard to put the rest of this thing together. But I don't know. I always shoot myself in the foot when I say that.
Alright, so that's that.
That's that. So we can put these two on now, right?
We're gonna start with this one.
Yeah.
And then we'll do that one. So let's get the first gasket. These take 14mm screw.
It comes with its own hardware, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna get back into the car. We'll line that up. Come back to you guys. Alright, so we're almost done. I guess the hardest part is probably putting the actual exhaust, because it's sucker huge. But we got that on. You could probably do this outside the car, put it all together. But we chose to do it on the car just to make sure everything fits correctly. So everything looks good. You're gonna need a long extension swivel to get that bolt right up there. Right up there. Right there. Yep. But other than that was it. So we're almost there. I'm gonna put the exhaust on, move over some stuff. Now move over to the little controller. What do they call it? A flapper?
Yeah, the little flapper.
The little flapper. And then we should be starting to think pretty soon. See what it sounds like. I haven't heard too many of these with exhaust. So, at least not in person. So, gonna be fun. So, hopefully you do a tune on this thing soon. Right, Rob?
Yeah.
We're gonna do a tune and downpipe and race car and E85 and 700 horsepower?
That's the plan.
There you go, 2 race cars. We're done. It was a little more of a pain in the ass than we expected, but typically it is. Honestly, we've been at it for a little over 2 hours, so it took us about 2 hours to do it. It looks pretty good. Let me show you guys. It turned out pretty well. I'm gonna wipe it down. He went in there to go get some alcohol. We just wipe it down, all the fingerprints and all that. But it looks pretty good. Everything. I mean, the exhaust is pretty good. It works pretty well. That part right there, major pain in the ass. So, you know, so be ready for it, because there's almost no room to work to line up that hanger. So we tried it 3 different ways. The easiest way is put the hanger up back. We put it back on and try to hang it from the top hanger, the one that actually connects to the car. The one that actually connects to the car. So not this one, but the one up top. And even that was a pain in the butt. Right, Rob? Look, he's all bloody. He got baby hands up. He got baby. He lots of lotion. It looks good, but the most important part now: how is it gonna sound? This is closed, guys. So let it warm up a little bit. All right, so now we're gonna open it up. See what it sounds like now. Open. There it goes. Sounds good. You know what this needs, right?
What?
A downpipe.
Yeah. pipe exhaust E50. Let's go. Let's go for a ride.
It sounds good though. Little flappers open. Oh, you can't see it now because it's all foggy. Sound good. Sounds good. Sounds good. Let's go for a quick pull, see what it sounds like with some load. All right. Let's see what it sounds like. You hear more turbo, right? Definitely gonna hear those pops more. It sounds good, dude. It sounds really good. It doesn't have no rasp to it. It just has a nice tone. It sounds good, guys. Oh damn. This is pretty car pulls. And this doing its stock. All right, guys. So let's see what it sounds like from the outside, because that's honestly what we really care about. So come on, let's check this out. All right. Sounds good. Sounds really good. That car has a very distinct sound. I'll give it that. Nothing really sounds like that except for another BMW. Not bad for about 2 hours worth of work, I think. Not bad at all. Guys, you guys, we can do it, anybody can do it, so don't be afraid to rent your cars. Woo! Dang it, it sounds good. That was fun, guys. That was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about the Supra and its new exhaust, the Remark. I don't know what the hell it's called, but it wasn't too bad installing it. Anybody can do it at home. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see y'all later.